Hi guys, in this video I want to show you a really good text-to-speech generator. So if you are on the hunt for a text-to-speech generator, or especially a free and open source text-to-speech generator, so I found this tool, Kokoro TTS Local, on GitHub, and I installed it on my computer and I generated some text-to-speech. And yeah, this is really cool. So, and of course, yeah, it is free. You can test it out. I will put the link to this GitHub page in the video description down below, so you can check it out. You can go to the GitHub page and then you will find all the instructions. And here you can see also the features, local text-to-speech, and here this using Kokoro 82 million model, multiple voice support with easy voice selection. Yeah, and also you get a ton of different voices. You get different male voices, different female voices, and also you can generate text-to-speech in many different languages. And here you can see it's available for Windows, for Linux and Mac OS. And the output format is WAV, MP3 and AAC. I generated from a complete blog post. I think it was over 1,000 words. I generated from this blog post a text-to-speech, and yeah, this the quality is really great. It's really good, and yeah, here you can see all the instructions. So the instructions are not that detailed, but you can see. So for Windows, you have to do this first. Of course, yeah, you have to clone the repository. And then you have to create on Windows and also on Mac a virtual environment. Then you have to install all the requirements. And then here you can see you can run a test. So where you can check out all the different voices, all the different languages. And then you can go into production mode. And production mode is here. Then you will get a web UI. So you can access this web UI here via your normal browser, and then you have a better interface, and then you can put in your text. And yeah, then you can see you can reach it under localhost. I will show you later how this works. And so this installation guide is not that complete. If you want to see a more detailed installation guide, I of course wrote an article about this. So here on LinkedIn you can see my article, and here you will see the detailed installation instructions. So you can see how to do it for Mac OS, and for Windows it is the same. So you can clone the GitHub repository, then you go to the folder, and after this, yeah, you access or you create the virtual environment and activate the virtual environment, and then yeah, you will upgrade pip and install the requirements with pip. If you want to have the full detailed installation guide, then yeah, go to my article. Link is also in the video description down below. There you will find everything in detail, because yeah, this is not that detailed. And yeah, maybe if you need a little bit more help, then go, visit my blog post, visit my LinkedIn article, and then you will find everything in detail. So yeah, then let's say you have installed everything, you have set up everything, then it looks something like this. So here you can see my folder with all the files. You can see the different the two main Python files. You can see here is the main production Python file for the web UI, and then here you can see the demo. And yeah, so then let's start this, or yeah, let me show you how this works. So I will open a new terminal. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. So then I will copy the path name, cd, and go to the path or to the folder. And then let's activate the virtual environment. So great. And then yeah, let's run the test file with this command, Python TTS demo py. So I hope this works now. And of course, yeah, this can take a while because the program is relatively complex and also, yeah, a little bit power hungry, so GPU power hungry. But so on a Mac or on a modern Windows computer, you have no problem running this. And yeah, okay, now it's finished. The initializing process is finished. And now you can see we have the demo file here opened, or the demo file is running, the demo program. Here we have 3 different options: list available voices and generate speech and exit. So then let me show you one for all the available voices. And of course, this changes from time to time. Maybe if you watch the video in 2 weeks after I produced the video or I filmed the video, then yeah, maybe you have more voices. So let's see what kind of voices here. You can see all the different voices. Yeah, 20, 30 different voices you have. I think this is more than enough. Here you can see what's this? I don't even know, but this is AM, I think is American English, and British English, I don't even know, but is BM. I think British English is BM. Then you have French, Italian, I think German as well, German language, and I don't even know what else. Yeah, you can test it out. So then let's create a test speech here, for example. So we press 2, select a voice number. So then select number 1. So and this is how you can test every voice here. You can enter text if you want, or if you press enter, then it will use the default text. So let's take the default text for now. Enter text speed. So then let's leave it on default. Simply press enter, and now it's finished. Let me go to the folder, or let me show you the folder. Let me open this. Let me play this here.
Hello, welcome to this text-to-speech test.
Yeah, I think this sounds yeah, really good. And yeah, also you can of course play around with the different voices. And then let me show you the web UI. So for this, we go back to our terminal, and then we hit exit. So now we are back in our virtual environment in the folder. Let me open the web interface. So for this, we need to execute this file. So Python Gradio interface. Enter. And this takes a while. Okay, now I think it's finished loading. You can see here you have your local URL, and also you have a public URL. So that means when you want to enter your UI from outside your local network, when you run this program on your home computer and you want to visit the dashboard or yeah, the web interface from your office computer or something like this, then you can take this URL. Of course, you will get an individual URL every time you run the program. And let me open this in our browser, and then let me show you. And here it is. You can see it's a really simple UI, but yeah, you have everything you need. And also down below here, you can see you can access the program via an API. Then here you have the settings. You can change the language. You can change from dark mode or to dark mode, or switch to light mode, or system settings, and so on. And yeah, so then, and here also we have the different voices listed, so you can test this out. Here you can switch the output format from WAV to MP3 to AAC. Then yeah, let's for example take a text here. So let me grab a text real quick. So right now I am on CNN. Let's open this article, for example, and then yeah, then let's copy this. And of course, you can copy as many words as you want. Yeah, I tested it with over 1,000 words so far. And the more words you put in, yeah, the more power hungry will get the program, of course. And so then let's change the voice to, I don't know, AM American English Echo. I don't know what this is. So let's put the text in here. Yeah, and then let's change the output format to MP3, and then let's click on Generate Speech. So now you can see the program is working, and yeah, it depends on yeah, the power of your computer, and also on the length of the text, on the word count, or yeah, on the word count that you put in here. But let's wait. Okay, now it is ready. So let's see, and let's click here on play.
New York, CNN. President Donald Trump's promised tariffs are a day away, and they'll go into effect sooner than some had expected, as in, immediately, the White House said Tuesday. Although many details remain unknown, perhaps even to Trump himself, the administration's Liberation Day trade policy announcement is expected to be the most aggressive tariff move yet by the most tariff-obsessed president in modern history. Trump is meeting with his trade team Tuesday, and the tariffs he announces at a Rose Garden
and so on. I think it sounds very good. Yeah, you have to play around with the different voices. You have to find your favorite voice, and then everything is good. And yeah, you can of course then download it. So you can see here the little download icon. Simply click on the download icon, and then the MP3 file will get downloaded to your computer. And yeah, then yeah, you can put it into your video program, video editing software, or wherever you like. And yeah, so I think that's it for the video. I really like this program because, yeah, you have so many options. It is free, and it's getting updates regularly. You can, of course, when you see one file or different files getting an update, then of course you can update your local file structure. Then you are always up to date. And yeah, so if you want to check it out, like I said, I will put all the links in the video description down below. I will put the link to the GitHub page in the video description down below, and also I will put my article in the video description down below, where you will find a more detailed installation process, or yeah, installation guide. And you can install this on Windows machines, you can install it on Macintosh or on Linux. And yeah, so if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, if you liked the video, if you found the video informative, I would of course appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, every subscription, every like count. And so yeah, then so far, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.